Welcome back to Studio 701.
Michael, I've always thought about getting my teeth professionally whitened because I dip into the wine and the chocolate and the soda. My teeth are sometimes a little dull. I've tried the home strips, you know, the toothpaste, and I'll get some results, but not the pearly Colgate smile that I'm yearning for.
Okay. Well, I got some good news for you. We're going to chat with Dr. Courtney Grace and check out the additional methods for whitening your teeth. Check it out.
Well, Dr. Courtney Grace, we're going to go right into it by asking you, what is the difference between over-the-counter teeth whitening kits and professional teeth whitening?
So, both professional teeth whitening and over-the-counter contain hydrogen peroxide typically as the whitening agent. The main difference is the concentration level that they contain. So naturally, professional whitening systems are going to contain a higher concentration of that hydrogen peroxide, which in turn makes it more effective and efficient at whitening. For instance, our in-office whitening can take as little as an hour to obtain results, whereas over-the-counter can take a few weeks to a couple months to get the results that you're looking for.
Oh, I see. And so if we get some professional teeth whitening done, say by yourself, is it going to be substantially better than having a at-home?
So, for instance, we have a couple options at the office. So one option is the at-home kit. So this includes the professional strength bleaching gel and custom trays that are made specifically for your teeth. People will use them usually like a week to 2 weeks to obtain those results that they are looking for. The other option, like I said before, is that in-office whitening system called Zoom. So that is done in an hour appointment usually and gives us instant results. So it entails using bleaching gel that is activated with a specific light made for that Zoom system. And that's what gives us those instantaneous results. So really it just depends on the time frame. I mean, they're both effective and efficient, but say you have a special event coming up and in a few days and want those results instantly, then of course the in-house or in-office whitening, that Zoom system is going to be the better choice. Regardless of what option you choose, we'll always do a comprehensive exam beforehand to make sure that there's not an underlying condition causing tooth discoloration, say like a root canal issue that may need to be done beforehand.
How long are the results going to last after a professional teeth whitening procedure?
Yeah, so typically, I mean, it can last up to 2 years, but that of course has other variables. So if we're eating food and drinks that are high in pigmentation, then those results are going to probably not last to that 2-year mark and may need a little touch-up. That can be done at home with those custom trays, or of course you can redo the in-office if you want those instant results. Sometimes we're not as patient as we would like, right?
What advice can you offer to someone who may be considering teeth whitening, whether, you know, coming in-house or even doing the whitening strips themselves?
Sure. So it's good to keep in mind that any dental restorations, such as fillings or crowns, are not going to whiten. So while the teeth around them will lighten, the dental restorations will stay the same color that they are. And then, of course, regardless of what system you're using, no whitening option is permanent. So, like we said, it can last up to 2 years, but it's very dependent on the lifestyle and what we're eating and drinking. So no option is permanent. Really, in the office, we can more fully discuss your individual situation and your options and kind of choose the best option that gives you the smile that you want.
Dr. Courtney Grace, thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate your time.
Yeah, really happy to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
And if any of the services mentioned are something you're interested in, you can call Polish Dental at 701-222-4746.
And still to